There was a guy that was shot dead when they hijacked his car in Eersterus. Not long ago, a week or so, half a week or something. Friday. Is it last week Friday, ne? Of this week, this Friday. So, do you know what happened there? The guy came out of the house. They took the car, they shot him. They shot one of his friends as well. Or the friend that was trying to help. And the friend that was trying to help was shot in the hand. And he was shot in the leg, I think. Look, I'm speaking under correction now. But that person is now awaiting surgery in a government hospital. Now, the government hospital doesn't have the equipment or the way to do the surgery. So to do the surgery, it cost him in a private hospital 70,000 rand just to do the surgery, not the other after things. Now, wealth flows where there's such painful problems. Because that guy is in need of a 70,000 rand now to pay for a surgeon. Because the surgeon solved a problem that is life-threatening. He can charge life-threatening pricing. What is it that you can charge?